Hi guys, let's make काले चने की सब्जी। Pressure cook a cup of black chana and add a cup of water to it. Add a bay leaf and cook it for 4 whistles. In a bowl, add red chili powder, turmeric powder, jeera powder, dhania powder, black pepper powder and some kanda rasan masala if you want. That's totally optional. Add oil and add water to make a paste. Roast a tablespoon of besan as well and heat a kadhai. Add oil to it. Add jeera, rye, hing and let it splatter. Add curry leaves as well and then add the paste. Mix it well on a low flame. Add ginger garlic paste if you want. Once you feel the spices are cooked, add the besan and let it cook for another minute. Add soaked chana and also add salt, मैं बताना भूल गई थी, and then let it cook for another 5 minutes and you're done. For additional flavors, I am adding some pudina leaves and a lot of coriander. You can skip it, but I would suggest कि वो अच्छा लगता है तो डालो, and it's done.